Everyone, welcome to Agro Inspiration. This morning I'll be teaching you as how to put manure on your maize. As you guys can see, this is our maize that we planted and the thing is doing well. I show you the last video as how we planted our maize. So actually I'll be teaching you on this maize. I'll be teaching you on this maize as how to put manure on it. As you guys can see, the maize is doing very well and is very healthy and fresh. And I'll be teaching you, there will be two steps. There's a step that you can put fertilizer on your maize, and there's another step that you can use but manure, natural manure, which is fouls too. So at this stage I'll be teaching you as how to put the fouls too on your maize. So by this side I'll be teaching you but how to put the fouls too on your maize, and the other side of the other maize I'll be teaching you as how to plant it and how to put the fertilizer on it. So we are going to be seeing the difference as how which one will perform very well. So actually, if you want to use the process of putting your manure by using the manure on the maize, actually they usually use manure in maize when you notice that the ground of the area that you have planted your maize is very poor. When the ground is very poor, you're going to make sure you put the manure in such to enrich the soil. But when you reach in some certain area that the ground is good, you get to put the fertilizer. So today, this morning, I'll be showing you as how to put your manure on your maize. As you guys can see, this is the correct stage to put your manure on the maize and mulch it. Corn is very necessary to be mulching. So actually, this is our manure from fowls too. You guys can see the manure. So we're going to be putting it. You put like this under. You put like this and walking. You guys can see as we're putting the manure. You put it direct on the stem of the maize. It's such issue because the root of maize is not too far. You don't have a long distance. So you make sure put it. Now don't put it too much. You have a maximum quantity. You just measure one hand. With your two hands, you just measure one hand and put it under one bottle. This process is very good when you notice that the soil is very poor. But if you are working a high quantity of maize, you will make sure that you will mostly be using but fertilizer in such to put it on your maize. As you guys can see, as I'm putting the manure, when you finish now to put the manure, you make sure to mush the corn. It's also to cover the manure very well. So I'm going to be showing you as how to mush your maize. So now let us start from up to mush our maize. So immediately you finish to put your manure on your maize, you start mush it. This how you mush your maize. People can say the soil here was very poor. That's why we're putting the manure. So there's a stage to put your manure. So when you plant your corn, when you plant your maize, the maize take 1 week to come out. If you notice after 1 week your maize have not come out, means that it is bad, or some insect or microsoft has damaged it under or must have eaten it. So after 1 week, if you notice that your maize have not come out, you get to come and replace it. But if it come out successfully 100% like this, means that it is okay. Then after 1 month, you make sure to come and give him, if it's a farm of fertilizer that you are going to be putting fertilizer on your maize, you come and put him fertilizer after 1 month. But if it's manure, after the 1 month, you come and put your manure and make sure to mush it like this. As how you guys can see as I'm mushing it. You guys can see as how I'm mushing our maize. You guys can see as how I'm mushing our maize. As the camera can show people see as how I mush it, this one, and we have mushed this side. So we're going to be doing it in all the farm. And the next time I'm going to be showing people if any illness attacked it, I'm going to be showing people the treatment as how to treat it. So our next video, I'm going to be showing people guys as how to treat it and as how to maintain it so that it should give a success and should give you a strong corn very well. Thank you. Like and follow for more videos.